In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Telegram password if you forget it. Here's the key truth up front. For your security, Telegram doesn't let anyone view passwords and they aren't stored in plain text. What you can do is reset your two-step verification password using Telegram's official recovery methods. I'll walk you through exactly how to regain access safely. Start by opening Telegram and entering your phone number on the login screen. You'll receive an SMS code. Enter that to continue. If two-step verification is enabled on your account and you can't remember the password, tap the Forgot Password option when it appears. If you previously added a recovery email under Settings, then Privacy and Security, and two-step verification, Telegram will send a reset code to that email address. Go to your inbox, check for the message, and don't forget to look in the spam or junk folder. Copy the reset code, return to the app, and use it to create a brand new password. This resets your two-step password without ever revealing the old one. In some cases, you might see a recovery pattern or code sent directly to your linked email. Open that email, follow the instructions, and enter the code in the app when prompted. Again, this process doesn't show your old password, it simply lets you set a new one so you can get back in. If you never added a recovery email, you still have a couple of options. You can reinstall Telegram or log in on another device where you're already signed in. On that active session, go to Settings, then Devices to view your logged in sessions. From there, you can terminate sessions you don't recognize and enable two-step verification again, choosing a new password you'll remember. If you don't have a recovery email or any active sessions, you'll need access to your phone number to log back in. That will let you reset the password and continue using your account. If you're completely locked out and none of these options work for you, reach out to Telegram's support team at telegram.org/support. Provide the details they request so they can guide you through your specific situation. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Keep your recovery email up to date, store your new password securely, and never share login codes with anyone. Always use the official Telegram app or website to avoid phishing. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Telegram tips and tutorials.